Is the yellow light blinking on your DJI Osmo Pocket 3 wireless mic? Don't worry, this usually happens when the mic is pairing, updating, or facing a minor connection issue. So in this video, I'll show you how to fix the yellow light blinking problem. So let's get started. Solution 1. Check battery. First, make sure the transmitter and receivers are charged. Fully charged both units via USB-C cable. After charging, turn them on and then check the light again. Solution 2. Reconnect or repair the mic. Turn off both the Pocket 3 and wireless mic. Then turn on the mic transmitter first, and then the Pocket 3. Now, red blinking should stop once paired. If not, Solution 3. Reset settings. First, turn on the camera. Now swipe down to bring the menu options. Next, tap on settings. Then scroll all the way down. Here you will see the factory reset option. Tap on it. Then tap on confirm. Wait to reboot. It will reset all your camera settings. Now select language. Solution 4. Firmware update. First, make sure to connect internet on your phone. Then open up the DJI Nemo app on your phone. Then connect the Pocket 3 to the app. If the app detects the camera, if any updates are available, an update will appear on the top of the home page of the app on your phone. Then install the latest firmware update. Sometimes a firmware mismatch can prevent startup, and updating usually fixes the problem. Hope your issue is solved by now. Don't forget to hit that like button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.